Hey guys, today we are going to be putting together a Harbor Freight electric trimmer. It's a little battery operated bauer. This doesn't come with the battery or the charger. She's bought the battery and charger separately and has that already charging, so I won't be able to show you it running or anything. It's just opening the box and then putting this trimmer together. So let's get on it. I'm going to set up the camera real quick. All right, let me set up the camera. All right, so we're going to go ahead and pop this open. Oh, look at that. You got to do both sides. Okay. Go ahead and open all this up. So you pop the tape here, pop the tape here, 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 and we open the whole box. And these flaps out. Let's see, are you actually recording this? Kind of. Alright, get these pieces out. Instructions. Everything that's in the box. Everything's got cardboard bits on it. There's the bump head here. Single line bump head. It's like 080 or something. It's got a couple of spare spools. That's pretty nice. Got a set of wheels. Figure out, I think that they go right here on this. I'm sure if we read the instructions they'll tell us. And then the guard, I'm going to pop that out real quick. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop the guard on. What we're going to need to do though is that screw. How does this go on? You know what? We're going to look at the instructions. That's the first thing we're going to do. Alright, so it shows the wheels on this piece just like I said, so let's go ahead and pop them on. Let me open them up. And then we're just going to slide this right into that. Like so. All the way. So this clicks into place, I believe. There, yeah, it's in place. It's clicked right in. This clicks over this little nubby thing here so that you gotta push this to take it back off. Alright. Boom, just like that. This is showing a screw hole somewhere, but I'm not seeing the screw hole anywhere for this. So this is showing this piece here. Slides in. So this slides in. And then the screw screws in. So I'm going to go ahead and shove this in first. See what happens. There it is. Okay, so we got to take this screw out. It's going to go in this spot right here. So Phillips head screwdriver. Counterclockwise, unscrew this screw. And we're going to shove this all the way in. Nice and lined up on that. Then we're going to take that screw and go right back in this hole here. And it'll feed right back into that. That's nice and tight now. This right here needs to come off. We're going to have to take a razor wire or razor blade or something like that. And we got to cut this off so that the metal's exposed. just so the blade's exposed a bit. And a sharp blade. So the way these are set up is that when you squeeze the trigger, you know, the line comes out nice and straight and whips around. If it's too long, it hits this and cuts it off. When you're cutting your grass with these weed eaters, never let go of the trigger the whole time. Keep going, going, going the whole time. Because every time you let off the trigger, it lets some line out automatically. So if you keep on off in it, you're going to run out of line very quickly. So once you squeeze that trigger, you just keep going until the battery's dead or until you're done mowing your lawn. Or if you need a little more line, you let off the trigger and it automatically comes out. Oh look, we got a little piece of cardboard here. Get that out of there. Like that. The handle, we want to adjust the handle to where it's comfortable. This thing right here should tighten right up on here. Make sure it's in there right and straight. Tighten that down. And then this handle, you can adjust it to the wherever you want it, the height you want, how far up and down you want it. Just kind of wiggle it on up to where you want it. I'm just gonna kind of guess it for, and then you just tighten this clockwise until it's good and tight. There we go. Now that's nice and solid. This is unlocked, so this can adjust up to the level you want it, and then you just, once you get to the level you want, the angle you want, you just turn this to lock, and then it stays there. And then this is, God, phone. So you just take this off, you know, whenever you got your batteries. But that's it. That's pretty much the whole deal. This thing's completely set up for you. The wheels are for making it an edger. You can set it on the ground and you can roll it and it'll edge your grass for you. One of those deals. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Peace.